Hey guys, in this episode I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail account. Stay tuned till the end of this video to see the entire steps. So on your phone, after entering your email address, you click next. Proceed to forgot password and click it. Here you will be prompted to confirm whether this number that ends with this 2 last digit is your phone number. In my case, yes, so I'll click it. So I quickly get notification on my phone. I will enter the code. Proceed on next. In this interface, because I already provided my recovery email, so I'm prompted whether I want to get a verification code, which of course to this recovery email, I'll proceed on yes and get it. So a recovery code will be sent to my recovery email. I'll then proceed on next. So I'm then alerted to create a new password. If I want to skip this process, I'll just continue on skip. So I'll continue on turn on backup. This backup is purposely for my contacts and other things that I will need from the Google service. I agree. Give it a moment for it to entirely download. I accept. On this interface, I'll just quickly go to take me to Gmail. Now my Gmail has been recovered successfully. All my contact is in there intact. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. Bye bye.